Hello my friends, in this tutorial we will learn about the market basket analysis. This is a powerful marketing technique that uncovers the products bought together by consumers. For example, in a context of a grocery store, this analysis might show that bread and butter are frequently bought together. So what are the applications of this strategy? For example, in a physical store, you can place the products close to each other to encourage cross-selling. In an online store, you can suggest the second product when the consumer places the first product in the cart. You know, in Amazon, when you look at an item, Amazon immediately suggests you products related to this item. Customers also bought. Okay, so another application would be to sell the two products together in a bundle or to offer discounts for buying the products together. Until recently, the companies would spend many tens of thousands of dollars for this kind of analysis, but now you can do it for free with Power BI and a complex DAX formula that I will show you in a minute. Before starting the tutorial, I will show you the end result. The end result will be this matrix that shows you, for example, for product A, how many customers also bought product B. And depending on this, you can adapt your marketing strategy. We will arrive at this matrix by using a very powerful formula that I will explain you in a minute. So first, let's take a look at our data model. It is very simple. We have the sales table and then linked the customers table, the calendar table, and the products. It is based on the AdventureWorks database from Microsoft. So you can replicate this tutorial if you want. First, we want to know how many customers purchased each product. So we will create a simple formula, simple measure, customer purchases, count rows, values from the customer key in the sales table. Okay, it counts the unique list of customers that purchase this product. For example, product 214, 1096 customers. And we can create this table where we put from the products table the product key, and here we put our measure, the customer purchases, to see the number of customers who bought these items. Here I have put a slicer so we can play with the periods. Okay, because the table is very big, we want to select the number of items. So now we want to create this matrix. Okay, we have here the product key and the number of customers. We put it in the rows, the product key from the products table. Okay, and in values we put the new measure that I will show you. The new measure is called purchased both product because we want to see how many customers, for example, purchased product 2025, but also product 204. Sorry, 225 and 214. The idea is that we want to put the list in the columns. We have to create another table. We will call it the duplicate products, because otherwise we cannot do this matrix. So we create very simply the duplicate products table with summarize products table, and then we take the product key and product name and call it duplicate products. We have it here. So in this matrix, in the columns, we will put the product key from the duplicate products. The idea is that, for example, here 100 is a combination from the list of customers who bought product 225 and also product 214. We see that here for product 225 we have 954 customers, and here for the 214 product we have 976. So in our metrics, the list of customers for the product 225 is naturally occurring from this list. Okay, but now we have to manufacture a new context that takes into account the list of customers, the duplicate list of customers, in order to intersect with this new product here, 214. To get this result, we create this formula, purchase both product. What it does, it creates the two lists of customers. The original purchase, the first list, which has values sales customer key, is this list from here. Then we need to have the second list, okay, from the duplicate table. So how the formula works for this? We use calculate table, and then we have the list as in the original purchase list, but then we have to remove any context that is naturally occurring in our model, because on the rows we have the original list. So we use all products in order to remove the natural context. Then we need to reapply the context via a virtual relationships in order to link the duplicate products key. For this, we use the treat as function that takes a list and it links with the other list. So treat as function says like this: treat this as this. Okay, the product key from the duplicate products, treat it as the product key from the initial list, from the sales table. So treat as creates a new context to take the list from the duplicate products. And now we only have to intersect these two lists here by using count rows to count the number of customers that are at the intersection of these two lists, and we use the intersect function. So intersect between the original purchase, okay, this list, and the duplicate purchase, this list. So to wrap things up, we create this matrix by using in the rows the product key from the products, and in the columns the product key from the duplicate products table. Okay, and in values we have this nice and complex formula. I hope you have found this video useful. Please subscribe to my channel so you can be updated when I publish new materials, and also you can give it a like. Thank you.